You guys, there are so many deals right now with Walmart.com and Black Friday deals. You've got to check them out. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. First thing that I'm going to talk about is this Roku streaming stick. I absolutely love this. And what I love about it is that it enables me to have a television, or at least television service, in any room of my house without having to have a cable outlet. The only thing you have to do is have Wi-Fi. Now, I live by myself and I have 4 televisions in my house because I have one in the living room, I have one in my bedroom, I have one in my guest bedroom, and then I have one here in my craft room. But I actually only have one cable outlet. And the reason why I'm able to do this is because with this Roku stick, it is streaming. So as long as I have Wi-Fi, I am able to watch television in any room that I want, including cable television, because there's an app. But there's also an app for YouTube. There's also an app for Netflix, Hulu, and every other kind of streaming service you have. Right now, this is $24.98, which is a fantastic value because this is typically $46.69, and you can get it at Walmart.com. Of you know, of course, that I have Mr. Otis, my cat, and Mr. Otis is a wonderful boy. Love him so much, but he does shed. And the Shark Pet cordless stick vacuum with the Power Fins technology and the self-cleaning brush roll is a game changer. This is typically $259, and it is currently on the Black Friday deal with Walmart at $144. A great option for you, and I do own this one myself, is the Hoover Windtunnel High Performance Pet Vacuum Cleaner. This is bagless, which I love. It's super easy to clean out, and it is also very strong. It has a setting on it that allows me to go from my hardwood floors to my carpeting, and Otis is still scared of it because he's scared of all vacuum cleaners. Now, I can definitely remember going to my grandmother's house during the Christmas season and her pulling out her KitchenAid mixer and making cookies. And if you can't afford a KitchenAid mixer, because they can be quite expensive, there are 2 great alternatives for you currently on the Black Friday deals at Walmart.com for you. This first one is the Costway Tilt Headstand Mixer. It is a 7.5 quart and it is a 6-speed. It has a 660 watt engine and it is in this beautiful red color. It is regular price $178, but right now it is $99. And then another option for you, if you wanted to maybe spend just a little bit less money, is the Costway 6-speed. It is also 660 watts. It is the 6.3 quart, so it's a little bit smaller, and it is normally priced at $132, but you can get it for $89.99 right now with the Walmart Black Friday deals. If you're a coffee drinker like I am, then you definitely know the convenience and the wonderfulness of a K-Cup or a Keurig machine. And Keurig currently has the Express Essentials. It is a single-serve K-Cup machine. So if you're a single person, maybe you only need a couple individual cups for yourself. It is currently on sale for $35 and it's available in a variety of colors. It is regularly $54.96. So it is definitely a really good deal. Now, if you're a little fancier, maybe you like a latte occasionally, there is a Keurig machine that is a staple, I think, in any kitchen. Not only does it do K-Cups, it also makes lattes, it makes cappuccinos, it does all kinds of things, and it is regularly $99, but right now it is $79 on Walmart.com Black Friday deals. Another kitchen must-have that I always recommend that everybody get if they do not have one is an air fryer. I'm telling you, it is a game changer. I have not cooked in my oven and I don't know how long, and I was able to get a 4-quart air fryer for myself, and it is the absolute perfect size for me. I have made cheesecake in mine, I have heated up appetizers, I have cooked salmon, broccoli is absolutely amazing, and right now there is a Ninja 4-quart air fryer that also doubles as a reheater and a dehydrator that you can get for $79. For my crafting DIY friends, you are going to absolutely love this Black Friday deal. If you have been wanting to get a Cricut, right now you can get a Cricut Explorer Air 2 along with a bundle package that literally has everything that you are going to need. It has a beginner's guide. It has a toolkit. It has a vinyl pack. It has designs. There are project inspirations, and typically this bundle would cost you over $400 if you were to buy this all individually. But right now it is on Black Friday deal for $199.99. You are going to save $200 if you buy this package right now. I have lots of Christmas trees in my house. I think right now I'm currently at 6, if you include the smaller ones as well as the larger ones here in the back. Actually, it's not even including these smaller ones, but there is currently a 6-foot artificial pink Christmas tree that is available right now. What's so cool about it is it has over 1,400 branches, and it is a foldable Christmas tree. So it is going to be very, very easy for you to set up each year. It is regular priced at $99, and you can currently get it for $73.99. And who doesn't need a pink Christmas tree? I would totally have a pink Christmas tree. Would you? Another fantastic deal is this 3-piece luggage set, which you can get at Walmart.com right now on their Black Friday deals. This is a game changer. I'm telling you, I have traveled for work. I have traveled personally. I have traveled a ton, and a hard-sided luggage set is going to change your life. Not only is it super durable, it takes the beating that our airlines unfortunately do with our luggage sometimes, but with this 3-piece set, you are getting a piece that is going to be carry-on size and then 2 pieces that you can check, and it's available in a ton of colors. And what's so great about it is it's typically $200, but right now you can get it for $99.99. I am obsessed with this blue color. You know I love blue, and I'm probably going to end up buying it at some point very, 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 very soon, because I like blue. Alpine Swiss is a brand that is sold at Walmart that I really like a lot. Not only do they make luggage and travel type accessories, but they also have some fantastic clothing options like this down puffer jacket. What's so great about this puffer jacket is not only is it available in multiple colors, but it's also very thin. So it's thin enough that you can pack it, you can put it in a suitcase. However, it is extremely warm. I bought it in this green color and I love it so much. In fact, I loved this jacket so much, I ended up buying the vest version of it. And by the way, if you like those jeans, they are a Levi's brand that is sold at Walmart. It is the Levi's and Strauss collection, and they are a really good value at less than $25. I definitely recommend these jeans for all of the guys in your life. And ladies, I've not forgot about you. If you are also interested in a puffer vest or a puffer jacket, there are 2 really beautiful options right now that are available for you on Walmart.com. The temperatures are starting to get a little colder outside, and with that comes cold feet, and these bedroom slippers are an absolute game changer. I love bedroom slippers, especially the kinds that have a rubberized bottom or sole on them where you can walk outside in them, you can check the mailbox, you can sit on the front porch, you can do whatever you want. I can say that as I'm getting older, I am getting colder. I'm wearing a flannel inside the house, which by the way, this flannel is from Walmart.com, and I will link it in the description box below. But these slippers are really amazing for $12.99. Such a good price, and your family will appreciate it. I'm telling you, they may look at you a little strange at first and be like, oh, you got me bedroom slippers, but they will appreciate it when it's super cold out. Now, this deal is my absolute favorite. I could not believe. This is a 11.6-inch HP Chromebook computer. It has 4 gigs of RAM and it is 32 gigabytes of storage. It is only $79. This is a game changer for anybody that's ever wanted a laptop or ever needed a home computer but could not afford one. Is it going to be the most strongest computer? No. Is it going to be an effective computer? Yes, because I can tell you that personally, I have owned 3 HP computers in the past. They have all been fantastic computers. My computer that I use on a daily basis is an HP, and I absolutely love it. And this one for $79 is such a great gift idea or a gift for you. Definitely have to include the kids in this, and there is a toy out right now that is one of the hottest toys of 2022, and it is the Magic Mixies Sparkle Magic Crystal Ball. I have no idea what this thing is about. I read an article that said that this was one of the best gifts ever, and right now it is on sale for $64 at Walmart. Typically this is $76, so this is a savings as well. This is a toy that is one of the hottest toys of 2022, and you will look like an absolute rock star if you come in and get one of these toys for your kiddos. Now, of course, we have to think about the dads or the ladies that like to grill out there. And this Blackstone 4-burner 36-inch griddle, it's a cooking station that has side shelving and everything. This is typically a $300 grill, and right now you can get it at walmart.com for $242. Imagine cooking breakfast, pancakes, bacon, like burgers. There's all kinds of stuff that, of course, you can do on your Blackstone grill. This would be amazing, and I would love one of these in my backyard. Just saying. Hello, Blackstone. Come out, say hello. Now, the last item I'm going to talk about are the televisions that you can get at Walmart. There are so many different brands in different sizes, but if you're looking for a big television and you're not wanting to spend a lot of money, this 40-inch smart TV is on sale right now for $178. And if you read the reviews, it's actually got really good reviews. It's a 40-inch television for less than $200. That is amazing. All right, you guys, that is my Black Friday deals from Walmart. Definitely check out walmart.com. All of these deals are available in store, but you can also shop at walmart.com. You don't have to fight the traffic. You don't have to fight the crowds. Have it delivered right to your house. Be sure and thank your UPS man and your FedEx guy and your, post office workers and all those other folks. And we'll see you soon. I don't know what I'm doing. Bye-bye, guys.